Hey there, curious cannabis consumers. Canadad here, and this is my high voltage DC power supply. It puts out about 10,000 volts of rectified DC. Rectified DC means that the transformer inside, which is a CRT television transformer that's driven by a ZVS circuit, it first puts out alternating current, just like all transformers do, but it also has internal circuitry that then will rectify that alternating current into direct current. And we can do different things with direct current. So I have a setup here called a water bridge that I would like to show you. So from the high voltage power supply, I've taken a wire to each one of these glasses, and the wire is connected to some tin foil that go into the glasses. The glasses are both filled with distilled water. Sometimes it's called deionized water, and we use this in experiments like this because it doesn't conduct electricity. It's a dielectric, and regular tap water has minerals and impurities that help it conduct electricity. So that's why distilled water is necessary for this experiment. So we have high voltage positive going into one cup, high voltage negative going into the other. And so we're going to see if I can get a water bridge suspended between the two of them. So we lost a little bit of the water last time, but now I've got a little bit zoomed in. Let's see if it'll still get itself going. Yep. Another thing to consider, aside from the distilled water for this experiment, is also use glass cups for this. Because if you use plastic ones, the plasma at the beginning will burn holes in them. And that's why I'm going to be buying my wife some new measuring cups. From the research I did on this subject, on this experiment, actually, it seems that it's not fully understood how this phenomena works, but there's a few things at play here, like electromagnetic attraction in the beginning, as well as surface tension and dielectric tension are both at play there. But apparently that only accounts for about half of the weight that this can hold up. So the science is still being worked on, which is really neat, I think. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, please press that like button and consider subscribing. Hope you stay curious and stay high.